Working with a legacy Windows FNT font file and need to view or use it? These represent an older bitmap font format from early Windows versions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Windows font files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful FNT file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. A user typically finds a FNT file when dealing with legacy applications or system folders in older versions of Windows. This is a bitmap font file, defining characters as a grid of pixels rather than scalable vectors. The user's intent is usually to install a required font for an old program or diagnose a font rendering issue. The FNT format is a binary file containing a header with font metrics, e.g., height, width, character spacing, followed by a data block of bitmaps for each character glyph. This raster-based design was highly efficient for the low-resolution displays of early computing, as it required minimal processing to render text directly to the screen. The essential opener for the FNT structure is Microsoft Windows developed by Microsoft Corporation. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows recognizes common font formats, making them usable across the system. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your FNT file and click Open With. If Microsoft Windows is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If your FNT file is not opening yet, that is normal. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific FNT error occurs on most Windows systems. First, installing in Windows. Right-click the FNT file and select Install for compatible Windows versions. Windows copies the font to the Fonts folder and registers it for system-wide use. Some FNT files may not install on modern Windows versions due to format incompatibility. In such cases, consider converting to true type format using font conversion tools. Next, examining with font tools. Open FNT files and font editing tools like FontForge or specialized FNT viewers. These tools display font glyphs, metrics, and metadata, enabling examination of font characteristics. Convert FNT files to modern formats like TTF TrueType or OTF OpenType for use in current applications, since native FNT support has diminished significantly. Finally, converting format. Use font conversion utilities to transform FNT files into modern font formats. Tools like FontForge import FNT files and export as TTF, OTF, or WAF for current operating systems and web use. Conversion preserves character glyphs and basic metrics, though some legacy features may not translate to modern font specifications requiring manual adjustment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.